Are you looking for new ways to make money from the comfort of your own home? In this video, I'm going to show you a few different ways to start generating an income online that will keep growing over time. Hi there, my name is Sam, and I've been making money online for the past 5 years. In that time I have tried just about every method of earning money on the internet, some with more success than others. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the best resources and strategies that have enabled me to make a lucrative living from home. Let's get started. Freelancing. One of the first methods I tried was freelancing. Websites like Upwork and Fiverr connect freelancers with clients looking for services ranging from graphic design to writing. I started small, offering my skills in graphic design, and gradually expanded to other areas. The key here is to build a solid profile and deliver high-quality work to gain positive reviews. This not only boosts your credibility but also attracts more clients. Affiliate marketing. Another avenue I explored is affiliate marketing. This involves promoting products or services and earning a commission for every sale made through your referral. Platforms like Amazon Associates or ClickBank offer a wide range of products to promote. Creating content around these products, be it through blogs, videos, or social media, can generate a passive income stream over time. It's all about finding products you genuinely believe in and sharing them with your audience. Online courses. Have a skill or expertise? Monetize it by creating online courses on platforms like Udemy or Teachable. I found success teaching subjects like graphic design, digital marketing, and language courses. The growing demand for online learning means creating valuable content can lead to a consistent stream of income. E-commerce. Setting up an online store was a game changer for me. Platforms like Shopify or Etsy make it easy to sell products, from handmade crafts to digital items. The key is finding a niche you're passionate about and offering something unique. Effectively building a brand and marketing your products can turn your online store into a profitable venture. So, these are just a few methods that have worked wonders for me, and the beauty is that you can combine several of these strategies to maximize your earnings. It's not about putting all your eggs in one basket, but diversifying your income streams. If you're eager to learn how to start an online business with professionals, click the link below. Whatever you choose, remember, success doesn't happen overnight. It takes dedication, consistency, and a willingness to learn from both successes and failures. The internet is full of opportunities, all you have to do is seize them.